Hey guys, thanks so much for stopping by. I have a project share for you today. I did some things with the wooden angels that BeeBeeCraft sent me, so I want to show you what I did with those today. Before I do, I want to let you know that I will have the links to the angels down below, as well as the link to the homepage and also the link to their YouTube program. If you have more than 100 subscribers, you can contact them and let them know that you would be interested in doing a product review. So let's go ahead and get into what I created with these angels. In my initial video where I did the unboxing, I showed you how well the angels were packaged, and I showed you that they came in this vacuum sucked packaging here after I took it out of the original packaging. And once I cut into this, they are also packaged in sets of 10. So, no, yeah, in sets of 10. So we have 10 angels and we have 10 ropes here. So very, very well packaged. Love it, love it, love it. So let's just get right. Well, this is what they look like. You can stamp on these, color these, use your markers, glue, decoupage, glitter. You can do all of that with these angels. So let's just get right into what I made with these. This is the first thing that I made. I made an ornament, and the base of the ornament I had in my stash, and I just put some card stock here in the background. But this is the angel here, and with this one I decoupaged it. I painted it first. I painted it red first, and then I decoupaged it with some tissue paper that I purchased from Dollar Tree. And right here in the center, you see I have a silver star, and on her head I have a crown. And I just used this ribbon here. Everything else was in my stash. And so I love how it turned out. This is the back. I put a sticker on the back that says Happy Holidays. And I also painted this white as well and stamped around it. And I used some glitter on it as well, but I don't know if it's actually picking up on the camera. But this, oh, and look at these. So, so cute. These peppermint sticks here. So I love how the ornament came out. Stinking cute. And then the next thing that I made was this picture frame here. Now this picture frame I purchased from Dollar Tree. I had it in my stash, and this is one of the gold frames that they had. And so what I did, I inked it. I played around with color on it, and love the way that it turned out. This is the angel here. I glittered this one, and I put a gold star here and a gold piece of sequin here on her head. Love, love, love how it turned out. And around the frame here, I have some numbers here that say 25. I used some flowers in my stash. These little lights here, blue, green, and red. This bow and some little buttons here going down the side. This is a in the inside, I wanted to put a picture in the inside, but I didn't have the picture that I wanted, so I just put some decorative cardstock and this little cute deer here, and this word joy going down the middle, and Mary here. But I love how the star is glistening, and I love the color of it too. So, so cute. I love it. So that's the second thing that I did with the angel. And so the last thing that I did, I made some tags. And I am actually going to turn this into a banner because, as you can see, I have spelled out the word Noel. And so let's just take a closer look at the banners. And I glittered these in blue. So, so cute. And I have this silver bow here. And I also have this silver thread, which I also got from BeeBeeCraft as well. And in the background, you can see that I have a snowflake, a little heart here, and I have some tulle. So this is the first one with the N on it. And at the top, you see that I have a snowflake here on top of the angel's head. Love how it turned out. That's the N. How about an O? Here we go. And they all are basically the same. The tags vary just a little bit. I think I have 2 tags with the background being more blue. And then I have 2 tags with the background being white. Have sequin here. Look at how glittery that angel is. So, so pretty. And I have my star again here. And then we have an E here. Again, they all are basically the same. So pretty. And then we have the L. Look at that sequin there on the side. So this is what I made with the angels that BeeBeeCraft sent me. Don't forget to stop by their website. Take a look around. It's something there that you're going to like. They are very well reasonably priced, and they have boohoo's of products. Thank you guys so much for watching. You know that I definitely appreciate it, and you guys have a great crafty day. Until the next video, bye-bye.